In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $3,600 a month with the Envato affiliate program simply by just referring one annual subscription per day. And I'm also going to give you 2 free strategies at the end of this video on how you can promote the Envato affiliate program. Let's go ahead and get started. And if you don't know my website, affiliate.watch, it's a platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs for free. And today we'll be doing a deep dive into the Envato affiliate program. And if you don't know what Envato is, it is the biggest platform for finding creative assets. And they recently did a rebranding where you can get unlimited downloads on all their assets. And they have over 21 million premium assets for just a small fee per month or per year. They have over 7 million stock videos to choose from, over 130,000 video templates, over 11 million stock photos, over 250,000 royalty-free music files, over 780,000 sound effects, and they also have graphic templates, fonts, graphics, 3D art, presentation templates, and much more. Many of the biggest companies in the world use Envato, such as Microsoft, Adobe, Google, Netflix, and Nike. And they have an amazing affiliate program that is perfect for bloggers, influencers, website owners, and people who can drive traffic to Envato. And Envato actually has 3 affiliate programs. We'll go over the main one first. And this is the one where you can earn up to $120 for eligible annual subscribers and up to $60 for eligible monthly subscribers. And so that means if you just get one annual subscription per day, you'll earn $3,600 per month, which is absolutely amazing. This affiliate program pays very well. And they also have another affiliate program for their Place It product, which allows people to create instant mockups. And that pays $50 on new annual subscriptions and 50% on one-time transactions. And so if you refer 2 annual subscriptions per day with the Place It program, you'll earn $3,000 per month. And then they have the Envato Market Affiliate Program, and this is perfect if you want to promote WordPress themes and plugins. And that pays 30% commission on any first purchase. And if you refer 10 new WordPress customers per day, you'll earn $4,500 per month. And signing up to the Envato affiliate program is actually super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below and then scroll down and go ahead and click join program. And then you'll fill out this application and it only takes about 2 minutes. And if you actually have an Impact account, you don't need to fill out the full application. You can just click the login button. And once you're approved to the affiliate program, you can start sharing your link and start making money right away. And one strategy to promote the Envato affiliate program is through social media. And you can either do this, for example, through YouTube videos or Pinterest posts. I'll show you a few examples. So if we look at this video right here, it says my favorite fonts for graphic design, tried, tested, and loved. And if we look in the description, we can see the Envato affiliate link. And then there's another video that says how I level up my edits using Envato. And if we look in the description again, we can also see an affiliate link. However, not everybody wants to get on camera and do videos. I totally understand. So we're gonna look at this Pinterest strategy. And Pinterest ranks very well in the search engines. And some people are showcasing fonts on Pinterest that they think are the best fonts. And you can see that there is an affiliate link right there. And if we scroll down, you can see this person, Brittany, also has many more posts promoting different fonts. And she has her Envato link going to those fonts so she can make money from promoting on Pinterest. She doesn't even have to record a video or show her face. Another strategy would to be create some type of design blog or something like this. You can see right here on goofydesigner.com, we have Envato Typography Collection, 27 Envato fonts you can't miss. And they did some great research on what they thought was the best fonts on Envato, and you can check them all out. And then you can click them and they're gonna get an affiliate commission. And so those are 2 great strategies to promote the Envato affiliate program. If you have any questions, just ask me. And if you want to find more amazing affiliate programs, then check out affiliate.watch. And I highly recommend you guys sign up to the Envato affiliate program. I think this is an amazing opportunity, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.